Greetings, road warriors. Welcome back to the Porter's RV Sales YouTube channel here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. Today we are looking at a trailer designed for those who want to play as hard as they rest. This is the 2020 Forest River Boost XLR 27QB toy hauler. If you've been looking for a toy hauler that doesn't require a massive one-ton truck to tow, you found it. This rig is 31 feet long and weighs in at a very manageable 6,385 pounds. That makes it a fantastic candidate for many half-ton pickups and larger SUVs. Starting at the front, we have a power tongue jack, which saves your back when you're hitching and unhitching at the campsite. You've also got dual battery and propane tanks and a great set of front storage compartments for all your smaller gear. Along the passenger side, notice the power patio awning with an integrated LED light strip. It creates a perfect shaded area for the crew to hang out. For those who like to stay out longer, this coach comes prepped for a generator and a fuel station. While the generator isn't included, having the wiring and the fuel tank prep already there is a huge head start if you want to add those features later for off-grid adventure. Now, the real star of the show is the rear loading ramp. It's a heavy-duty flip-down ramp that also features deck fencing. This means you can turn your ramp into a floating party deck, giving you an elevated porch to enjoy the view while your toys are parked below. Throughout the exterior, you'll see the rugged Boost graphics and a clean, well-maintained profile. Whether you're heading to the mountains or the dunes, this XLR is built with a heavy-duty foundation and a large roof-mounted AC to keep you cool wherever you park. We're going to finish up the exterior walk and then head inside to see how this 27QB floor plan manages to sleep 6 people and still provide a massive garage for your motorcycles or ATVs. Step inside, and the first thing you'll notice is how open and functional the Boost layout really is. Right by the entry, we have comfortable recliner seating. This is a great spot to kick back after a long day of riding. The interior design is rugged, yet welcoming, with durable materials that are built to handle the dirt and gear that come with the toy hauler lifestyle. It's a bright, open space that immediately makes you feel like you're ready for the weekend. Moving to the rear, we find the heart of the 27QB. This is a massive garage area that features 2 queen-sized drop-down bunk beds. The bottom bunk is incredibly versatile. It folds into a booth dinette, giving you a large dining area for the whole crew. When it's time for sleep, it drops back down to provide room for 2 more people. And check out that view with the ramp down. With the deck fencing in place, you can leave the back of the coach open to the fresh air while keeping a secure perimeter. It effectively doubles your living space and gives you that signature toy hauler outdoor inn experience. The kitchen is fully equipped to handle camp cooking for the whole group. You've got a refrigerator and freezer, a gas stove and oven, and a microwave. The stainless steel residential sink and high-rise faucet are a great touch, making cleanup easy. There's plenty of cabinet space for your snacks and supplies, ensuring you stay well-fed during your adventures. For your downtime, we have an entertainment center featuring a 32-inch TV. Right below it is an electric fireplace. It adds a great ambiance to the room, but it also provides an excellent source of electric heat to take the chill off those early morning starts. Moving toward the front of the coach, we head down the hallway to the master bedroom. This is a private sanctuary featuring a queen-sized bed. You have wardrobe closets on both sides of the bed for all your travel attire and gear. One really smart feature Fleetwood included here is a built-in safe. It's tucked away in the bedroom, providing a secure spot for your valuables while you're out on the trails. The room is quiet and comfortable, separated perfectly from the active garage area in the back. Large windows let in plenty of light, but you have shades for total privacy when it's time to call it a night. It's the perfect place to recharge. The private bathroom in the Boost XLR is surprisingly spacious for a trailer of this size. The standout feature is the huge shower enclosure with glass doors. You also have a skylight that adds a lot of natural light and gives you that extra bit of headroom you want in a bathroom. You have a vanity, a sink, and a toilet, along with a power vent fan to keep the air fresh. It's a clean, bright, and functional space that provides all the comforts of home. Having a bathroom this well proportioned is a huge benefit when you're traveling with a full house of 6 people. This 2020 Forest River Boost XLR 27QB is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a versatile, lightweight toy hauler. To recap, you are looking at a 31-foot trailer that weighs just 6,385 pounds. It features a huge garage with queen bunks, a party deck, and a master bedroom with a safe. If you want to see this XLR in person or have any specific questions, we'd love to hear from you. You can give us a call at 864-260-9276 or send an email to sales@portersrvsales.com. Be sure to visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to see more photos and the full specification sheet. Thanks for joining us for this tour at Porter's RV Sales. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. And as always, happy camping!